can get some weapons from there.
Alright guys, I'm doing a tutorial on how to glitch through walls. So go to the corner. Wait, if I can even get up. Why am I so laggy today? I think I have my flashlights on. So go up to the corner. It has to be perfect. That maybe. And then zoom up. Do a 90-degree angle. Move in. Wrong. It doesn't always work. No, up. 90-degree angle. Zoom in and zoom in. Well, I mean zoom in and then move in. So I hope you guys liked the tutorial. Don't forget to... Oh wait, before I do that, if you'd like any other secret found, don't forget to say in the comment section below.